So I think my son might have had enlarged adenoids. This is what I love about homeopathy. It doesn't always need a diagnosed condition to treat. It can really work off of just symptoms. So my son, when he went to sleep, always got congested and he turned into a mouth breather. This went on forever, and it wasn't until I got a professional homeopath to help advise me on what to give him that it was resolved. So I was looking at what to help specifically with enlarged adenoids causing congestion in a 2-year-old. And as I like to do, go to Dr. Homeo and look up the condition. And I was scrolling down on his page and saw that ammonium carb and Sambucus nigra are recommended for enlarged adenoids when they have intense nasal blockage, the nasal obstruction at night, mouth breathing due to a blocked nose is pronounced. Those are the remedies my homeopath told me to give my son. So maybe he had enlarged adenoids. I think within a couple nights of giving it to him, he was pretty much done with the mouth breathing. And this had been going on for like 2 years. There were a few more remedies that my homeopath gave me, and I think we probably would have expedited the right remedy if we did have the diagnosis. So I think it's a good place to start. I would go to the Dr. Homeo and I would read all of the remedies and the symptoms, and I would select from that what I would give my child, and then I would give once a day. If it resolves, great. If not, I did end up getting a professional homeopath, so I would join this group and peruse there to see if someone else has had this case, if there are other suggestions, and then to seek out professional help there.